What up, YouTube? Got a little video coming. Put the K&N on the old Camaro.
That backload last night was fucking huge.
Tab's gonna do the recording today. Yeah. Be back in a minute. Went with the K&N. Easy peasy. I'll do some before and after revs. You'll be able to hear the noise a little bit and the difference. The old one. Looks like we only got a few bolts. Should be pretty easy.
Here pulls a little air.
I'm not gonna do a how-to on it. It's just gonna be more or less the before and after. So we'll catch you guys in a minute when we get the new one on.
First impression of the new filter.
Hear it the whole time. That's nice. A little review on the K&N air filter. So far, what I've noticed is it's a lot louder. When you hit the gas, you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it from here, but also when driving, it's almost all you hear. Sometimes it's very loud. I don't know if the video will do justice, but yeah, it's a lot louder. I will be doing a 0 to 60 pull with it on, but wet and rainy today, so it'll have to be for another video. The fastest time I've gotten so far is a 4.1. That's with 305 tires in the rear, or I'm sorry, 315 tires in the rear, and the stock air intake. The next one will be with the new air intake, and I don't know if it's going to shave any time or not, but I guess we'll find out when the time comes. Like I said, that's for a later video. That's it for today though. Just a cool air intake install. Pretty easy. K&N, few bolts. Like I said, so far so good. And once I get some more info on it, you guys will hear it. Comment any questions you guys got. Like and subscribe for me. Peace.